Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're driving through Ligony and we're going to take a look at the Ligony Post Mall. And this mall is, okay, to the left of where we are now is Sovereign. And across the road from Sovereign is the Ligony Post Mall. Now, Sovereign on the left, we're going to make a U-turn so you can see everything, but Sovereign is one of the most successful plazas in Jamaica. It is the largest plaza in the Ligony area, and it's literally across the road from the Ligony Post Mall. Now, Sovereign does very well, and the Ligony Post Mall doesn't do as well as Sovereign. And it's literally across the road. So you're going to ask, why is that? And it's simple. There is a formula for a successful plaza in Jamaica. You need three things. You need a major supermarket, which Sovereign has, and Ligony Post Mall has no supermarket over there. You're going to need food stores. Ligony Post Mall doesn't have any food stores. Like, there's no KFC, there's no Burger King, there's no Island Grill. And Sovereign has all those. And you're going to need to build it in a populated area. Now, they're literally across the road from each other, so the populated area is covered. So, okay, we're going to enter the Ligony Post Mall now, and doesn't do not even half as well as Sovereign, because they don't have any supermarket and they don't have the food stores. So that just goes to show you how important that simple formula is. So this one has underground parking. Alright, so this one, okay, so that's the Ligony Post Mall, and now we're going to go over to Sovereign, and you're going to see a huge difference. Okay, straight ahead, that's the Sovereign Plaza. They have the Sovereign supermarket. They have a lot of food stores, from KFC to Island Grill to a lot of restaurants. They actually have a food court. It's actually easier to enter from here, but if we had made a U-turn, you would see that they were literally on the same road. And the Ligony area, and both malls are in Ligony, it's a very populated area. And they have a lot of malls up here, but the malls that follow the formula, they do so much better. Alright, so straight ahead is the entrance to the Sovereign Mall. Okay, if you look straight across the road, that's the Ligony Post Mall. So that's just how close they are. But as we said, the big difference between the two is that Sovereign has a plaza and Sovereign has a supermarket and they have the food stores, and the mall across the road, they don't have that. So that's the big difference between a successful mall and an average mall. Alright, so straight ahead now, you're going to see the entrance to the Sovereign supermarket. Alright, so we're driving out of Sovereign now and straight across the road, that's the Ligani Post Mall. That's how close the two are. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.